Okay guys, today we're going to start on El Cachimbo. The first thing you'll notice in your music is that there are two time signatures. One is 6/8 and one is 3/4. And what that's telling you is that we're going to switch back and forth between each of those time signatures. So to get the feel for 6/8, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Has a very swinging feel. Accent on 1 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to switch to 3/4, which is just 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. You can do that a couple times in your head, or clap it, count it. You can even play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. You can do it with eighth notes also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So play around with that for a little bit, and then continue on the video to start looking at all your notes. Okay, so now we're going to start looking at your actual notes for this piece. Just like in the last piece, you're going to play free stroke, which means that whenever you play, your fingers come into the palm of your hand, so that you're not playing on to the next string. To ring out over top of each other. So when we start, you want to follow the fingerings that are in your music. If you have the number 4, it's telling you to use your 4th finger, your pinky, not telling you to play on the 4th fret. So pay attention to your finger numbers, because that's telling you which finger to use, but it is not telling you what fret to play. So we start out, for instance, you have open D, A, and it tells you to play D with 4. Now the reason is, you're about to play F with your 3rd finger. Right? So if you were to play this way, you would have to pick this up and move it. And it gives you a pause in between there, a little hiccup, and we don't want that. So make sure you use your left hand fingers in the order that they have them listed on the paper. So we go a D shape, and then move 3rd finger, keep your middle finger where it was. Then we have a C shape, kind of, and pick it up. So your middle finger's been down for the last 2 measures. Measure 3, you're in kind of an E major position. G sharp in that measure, and it stays G sharp for the whole measure. So just because the next one doesn't have a sharp in front of it doesn't mean that it's not still sharp. So you played, this is measure 3. Now we switch into 3/4 time. Then go back to 6/8. G stays sharp, and then A. So we reuse a lot of these themes later in the music, so you'll find parts where it repeats a lot. Starting after the repeat sign, you have A minor shape, then it goes to 3/4. Those bass lines that walk down, you want to play them with your thumb. So for instance, measure 18, you play C, G, C, then you play with your thumb, to free stroke. For measure 22 and 23, you want to use the same fingerings that you used in measure 14 and 15. So if you need to go back and write your finger numbers in, you're more than welcome to do that. So at this point, I'm going to play through the entire piece. You would play all of page 1, page 2, and then you would take the repeat sign back to measure 9 and play the rest of the first page again and the second page. And then it says DC al fine. That means you're going to go back to the beginning and play until the word fine, which is in measure 8. So here we go. If it's too fast for you, you can go to the toolbar and select a slower playback speed. And once you get comfortable with it, you can try and play it up to speed with the video. And then at that point, you can set your metronome to Allegro and play it at the indicated speed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just go back to the beginning.